Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy Shiba on Binance application. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy Shiba on Binance, firstly open your Binance application. The home page of Binance will appear on the screen. Click on reverse arrow icon at the bottom of the page. From the pop-up option, click on Buy. You can either enter Shiba on the search box or scroll down and click on it. Enter your amount and tap on Buy. Check your credit card details, cash balance and click on Confirm. This is how you can buy Shiba on Binance application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.